Hi guys, so let's look into Bank of Tron today. So Bank of Tron, before Bank of Tron, we would have to install Tron wallet. So okay, Tron wallet, yeah, Tron wallet, and then install this. I've already installed it, so that's why it says open. So once you open it, you load your TRX. You can load TRX using anything you want. I mean, you can use Binance, or you can use WazirX, or you can use any of your platform from where you can transfer it to this wallet, and then once you receive it, you would see the balance. Okay, and you can, this is the receiving address where you want to copy and then go to your respective platform and then send the TRX from there. Okay, once that is done, you come back and then you go to the browser, the first tab which is there, and then you type in Bank of Tron, or you can copy any of the links that you have, referral link from your friends and all, and then you can type in Bank of Tron here, and then you can start getting in and then start your investment. So there are multiple types of investments inside. Basically you have 3.7, 4.7, 5.7, 6.7, 4 types of investments which gives you return. You can go through it thoroughly. Depending on your risk appetite, you can choose any of them. So if you see, it's 3.7 to 6.7 per day, and then 3.7, 4.7, yeah, 5.7 and 6.7, and you get referral rewards. Referral rewards are basically 5% for first level, for second level it is 3%, and for third level it is 1%. Sorry, for second level it is 2%, and for third level it is 1%, 0.5%, sorry, and then 0.5% of self reward which you get once you do your own investment. So it's been a safe program. It's been running for the last 2 months now. Actually the smart contract started in September, but it was actually done in April 2019 but launched in September, and then looks like it's been active for the last 3 months and people have started investing here, and then the good amount of investment has been done so far. If you see, around close to 58 million in the current contract. So 58 million TRX, yes, yeah, 58 million TRX is available at this moment when I'm recording this video. It's been good. So return of investment is very good in this case. It's depending on your risk appetite, you can decide whether you want to invest or not. Okay.